Hi YouTube, I've got a problem. I've got a water leak on the Mk5 Golf. You can see it there. I don't know where it's coming from. Puddle, as you can see. It's gone straight down there. I was just wondering if anyone knows if they can help me. There's a big plastic thing here, I don't know if it's stuck under that. But I've got no lights on the dashboard. There's no lights on at all on my dashboard. And it doesn't look like there's a leak under my bonnet. I mean, the fluid's fine. There's on the top of the rim, so that's okay. But yeah, if you can help, please help. Cheers.